Okay, let's jump right in. Today, we're doing a deep dive into a really interesting piece of kit, the Datavideo PTC-285T.
Right. It's a 4K tracking PTZ camera.
And this isn't just about pretty pictures. We're looking at serious production automation. The camera clocks in at around $3,000, and we want to figure out how it's changing the game for, say, conference rooms or live events.
I think the first thing to really get your head around is how it fits into a workflow. It's all about integration.
Okay.
It gives you simultaneous outputs.
Yeah.
And that is, that's huge.
So you get UHD 4K, 2160p60 over HDMI and IP.
Yes, but, and this is the important part, you also get a 3G-SDI output up to 1080p60.
So why does that matter to, the person actually running the show? Why have both?
Well, it solves a huge compatibility headache. You can send that beautiful 4K stream to a big local screen or a recorder.
Mm-hmm.
And at the same time, you can send that super reliable, low latency 1080p signal to maybe your older existing broadcast switcher.
So you don't have to upgrade your entire setup just to get one 4K camera in the mix.
Exactly. You don't have to choose between quality and compatibility.
Now here's the part that I think is like the real game changer, the AI auto tracking.
Right.
Because we've all seen those automated cameras that just, they get lost. Someone walks in front of the speaker and the camera just zips over to them.
That's precisely what this AI algorithm is designed to eliminate. The user can designate just one person to track.
And the camera knows to ignore everything else.
It actively ignores interferences.
Mm-hmm.
So if a waiter walks through the shot or, a big graphic comes up on a screen behind the speaker, the camera stays locked.
Mm.
It avoids all those false positives that can ruin a professional stream.
Okay, that's the brain. But the movement itself can be a problem. Automated motion often looks, well, robotic. It's jerky.
This is where the engineering really shines. It uses something called Smart PTZ Speed Adaptation.
Which is driven by a PID algorithm. You just dropped an acronym on us.
We did, sorry.
So PID, proportional integral derivative. For you, the listener, why should you care about that? What does it actually do?
You care because it prevents embarrassing video. The PID is a feedback loop, basically. It constantly measures how fast your subject is moving.
So it's not just reacting, it's anticipating.
In a way, yeah. It calculates exactly how to ramp the pan, tilt, and zoom motors up or down to make the movement feel smooth, like a human operator's doing it. No more jerky starts or overshooting the target. It's just smooth.
Very smart. And image quality, we should probably touch on that.
Absolutely. It's an 8.51 megapixel CMOS sensor. You've got 12x optical zoom and a wide 80-degree field of view.
But I'm thinking about those dimly lit auditoriums. Low light is always the enemy.
For sure. And it handles it really well. It goes down to 0.5 lux, and it uses advanced 3D noise reduction. So you get a surprisingly clean image, even when the lighting is, less than ideal.
Let's talk connectivity. Anyone who's run cables knows that 4K can be a nightmare.
The game changer here is just simplification. Pure and simple. It supports HDBaseT, so you can have really long cable runs without needing expensive fiber.
And the big one.
Power over Ethernet, PoE. This is it. One single Cat6 cable.
Just one?
Just one. It carries power for the camera, all your video data, and all your control signals. That just dramatically cuts down on installation time and cost.
And it means you don't need to find a power outlet right behind the camera, which is a lifesaver. Okay, so once it's plugged in, how do you control it?
It plays nice with pretty much everything. It supports Pelco-D, Pelco-P, VSCA, DVI-P. Basically, whatever control surface you have, this camera will probably work with it. And you can program 255 presets for rapid shot changes.
What about streaming? Can it go straight to the web?
It can. It supports RTSP and RTMPS, so you can stream directly to two different platforms like YouTube and Facebook at the same time.
And audio?
Yep, there's a 3.5 millimeter input for a mic or a line level source, and it embeds that audio right into the video streams.
So to sum it all up for you, the Datavideo PTC-285T is really this blend of high-res 4K capture with some seriously sophisticated intelligence. Right. You have the AI for the smart tracking and that PID algorithm for the smooth, human-like movement. It's autonomous production that actually looks professional.
Which brings us to our final thought.
It really does. Given that this camera relies so heavily on seamless IP control and these advanced tracking algorithms, it makes you wonder, what does this level of camera intelligence do to the traditional role of a human camera operator in a live production?
Is that person now more of a director or a system manager? Or are they freed up to do something else creative entirely? Something for you to chew on as this tech becomes the new standard.